Ciikaro-ini kia mbere kia Mbunge ya bururi muthenya wa ira thutha wa rutha rwa ihinda ria hakuhi mieri iri. Mbunge marabatie kuiguithaniria maritwa ma amemba aria magukorwo thiini wa kamiti iria heanaga mwerekero wa mihang'o ya Mbunge, no gaka karacokire gutuika kanya ka muthukanio wa kiuteti gatagati ka mwena wa Azimio na mwena wa Tanga. Mbunge a Tanga manyitanire na arunao a kiama kia ANC na Ford Kenya ni marareganire na maritwa maria marendekithitio ni mutongoria wa aige Amos Kimunya na murunawe wa aria nini John Badi, na hamwe na amemba acio ni Joyce Emanikor, Shadrack Mose, Kawira Mwangaza, Mohamed Abdulkahim Osman, Makali Mulu, Mishi Mboko na Godfrey Osotsi.
Once a motion has been moved and defeated, it's not open for any other person to bring the same motion similar in substance within a period of 6 months.
The membership that was rejected is the same membership that was there prior to the adjournment of the House.
No kuringana na ndumiriri iria tumirwo ni Spika Muturi kuri ambunge mathaa-ini ma miaraho, augite ati ni amukirite maritwa ma amemba angi aria mendekithitio gutungata kamiti-ini iyo, na gukiri uguo Mbunge ni ikagia na giikaro muthenya wa keri kiumia giukite ta uria gicunji kia 38 kia watho wa Mbunge gitariirie.
We are intact. They will go as per the standing order, and there is no condition on rescinding a motion which requires you that you now amend the names, as we will argue the names on the floor and will invoke the right standing order that will allow us to rescind.
Nigukoretwo na muthukanio wa nimwahuriku gatagati ga Tanga na Azimio uri na ithabu rinene ria ambunge, na muthenya wa ira ambunge Azimio maronekana gukorwo mahithukiirwo matehariirie. Mbica iria iraumirire irekionania takarari karata karabangitwo ni ambunge ya Tanga makenda guthima hinya wao thutha wa uiguano wa kiuteti gatagati ka munini wa President William Ruto na mutongoria wa ANC Musalia Mudavadi muthia-ini wa kiumia.
The tactic they used yesterday was an ambush, and we learned it a hard way. My generals are ready, and from the day we are going to resume duty as their head, I'm prepared now.
You and some of the members when they were leaving, they were singing about the earthquake and something like that. So obviously, because I never spoke to any of them to ask what it is, maybe the tremors were there.
Bururi utigitie mieri 7 githurano kinene gitabanio, na Mbunge ni gukorwo ikinyita itemi rinene hari uthondeki wa mitaratara ya kuhariria budget na mawatho ma ithurano, na uguo igukorwo ikihikana na mahinda gukinyaniria na muoroto uyu, no ningi kuri na ugwati wati uteti waya guthagathagia mirutire yao ya wira.
We will challenge them, we will hold them, and we are going to pass all the bills as advised by the government. So we want to assure you, government side is intact. We have the numbers.
Ona gutuika ciikaro cia Mbunge ni cigucokereria na cithie na mbere ota mutugo. Uteti wa uiguano gatagati ka munini wa President William Ruto na mutongoria wa ANC Musalia Mudavadi uronekana to guthio na mbere na kunyita itemi thiini wa ciikaro iria cigucoka kurumirira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma ciikaro-ini cia Mbunge ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngujiri.